Hello. Oh, hey, what's up, Fox? My name is Idarte. I am a junior, and my official major at this school is video and film production. This just got redone. This right here, y'all want to see something really cool that controls all the lights up here? Little mechanism right here, you know? Hey y'all, what's going on? I'm about to go ahead and show y'all the best place on campus, the Cinematic Arts Building. Personal favorite of mine, not just because I'm a major or anything like that. See, when you're Cinematic Arts major, boom, get in here anytime. How many people you know can do that? Just me and other Cinematic Arts majors. So this right here is our collage of all our amazing film students, and it's not organized in any specific way. It's just so you know when you go in here who's actually in the major and who you'll probably catch around here on a day-to-day basis. Y'all want to see something really cool? All right, hold on. Ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. A little anticlimactic, but I just think it's really cool because anytime you see this, you basically, that means someone's in here, they're probably recording something or something like that. Favorite place has to be the recording studio, simply because it's 24/7 access, and you can basically go in there and just record anything you want, whenever you want. This right here, the recording studio. Probably one of my favorite parts of this place because it's like kind of like a chill spot, but you also have like all this other stuff in here. You got pianos, you have like the actual like where you can record voice and stuff like that. This computer is typically for when you're uploading or like editing any type of audio or something like that. It's kind of getting like this whole area just kind of got redone so it looks really nice in here. But that's typically what this is for. What I love most about my major is the freedom to make videos whenever and however I like and just rent out cameras. This just got redone. Like, it did not look that well, and now it looks amazing in here. It looks pretty cool. We got this, for audio reasons. So you can come in here, you can record anything you want anytime. And honestly, like, I'm probably gonna record something because me and my friends wanna kind of make a little album, make a song, just for funny reasons, But yeah, this is the entire area. Definitely one of my favorite places because it's a chill spot, as well as a place you can just record anything whenever you want. So my favorite project that I'm working on this semester has to be my camera and lighting final, simply because we're doing an action thriller, and I've always wanted to shoot a fight scene, and I'm the director of it, so I really fully fleshed out the fight scene, and I think it's gonna be really good. I'm really proud to see how that turns out. I'm gonna go ahead and take you to where the other magic happens, which is our actual just classroom. So here we got, even though I can't get into it, this is our color grading room, really nice computers, specifically for our editors and stuff like that. We got our TV, which is meant for actually screening all the videos or films that we finish and fully just like show just for criticism. We got nice little green screens, all these different type of screens. Just move all this stuff over here, just control it with this little mechanism right here, You put that back. Over here we have all of our other production equipment that we would use when we go on location. So you just go ahead and anytime when you use any of this stuff, you have to put it down for the equipment center so that they know it's gone, so that if you lose it, they can come after you and find you. Then over here, we have this little system right here that controls all the lights up here so that you can get different looks depending on what you do. Like you can even set a stage right there if you really wanted to. But that's what this little mechanism right here does. Controls all the lights up here and got different colors and all that. So yeah, that's this room. So my future interests at the college are, me and my friends are going to start our own like little production company and basically start off by making a few films and then just continue to grow from there. So this is the Oasis, the place where you will see most of us just chilling here. These are some really nice computers over here. This is where we would typically do most of our editing work or anything like that, like uploading files. All right, well, I ran out of time, but I really appreciate y'all following me around for this. I really hope that I was able to give you some good insight on the entire film department over here. So with that being said, I will see you guys later. I hope to see you next year. If you see me, holler at me, please. I'll talk to you, I promise you, okay? See y'all later.